Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to find the apps section, which is right here. It should be under the battery and device care. So let's tap, and here let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on special access, and here we have to find the option install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got full list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And if you'd like to change it, so for example allow Chrome to install something, just find it and tap on the switcher. And right now it is active, which means that the Chrome is allowed to install, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and your phone at risk. Remember about that. And of course it will work the same with all other apps. All you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and you can get rid of all the permissions you've previously given. Just tap on the switcher again, and from now on the Chrome is inactive, which means that it is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.